Welcome to Daily Video Vocabulary. A dose of daily new English phrases and words. Brought to you by letstalkpodcast.com. Hello English learners, welcome to Daily Video Vocabulary. Episode 120. In today's episode, I have a new word for you, riveting. Let's find out what it means, and how you can use it in your daily conversation. Riveting. Sometimes, you are so engrossed in something, that you don't know what is happening around you. The word riveting basically means that something which is engrossing, and capable of holding one's full attention. When something is extremely interesting and fascinating, it grabs your attention. This means that it is riveting. Just because something is riveting, doesn't always mean it is good. Sometimes, horrifying things can be riveting as well. For example, you watch daily television soap, as you find it fascinating. You are glued to your television, with undivided attention. The soap has the capability of holding your complete attention. It means that the soap is riveting. When there is an accident on the road, you stop to see and know what happened. It grabs your attention. It means that it was riveting. The word riveting is an adjective, as it describes something of being fascinating. The word rivet is a verb, as it talks about an action of holding someone's attention. And the word riveted is the past and past participle form of the verb rivet. Okay, now that you know what riveting means, let's take a look at some example sentences to see how you can use it in your daily conversation.
Example 1.
Kevin can't focus on his work, as he is completely riveted by his new secretary.
Example 2.
Little John was riveted by the fishes in the tank.
Example 3.
Mona and Sean are famous for their riveting acrobats.
Example 4.
Being her first journey on the aircraft, Lisa had a very riveting experience.
Example 5.
The lecturer wasn't riveting enough to keep the students interested.
Example 6.
Every morning, Thomas looks forward to reading something riveting in the newspaper.
Example 7.
Even though the star cast was great, the people were bored, as they didn't find the movie riveting enough.
Example 8.
Jessica thinks for long hours to write a riveting essay for her assignment.
Example 9.
Linda was so riveted by her new phone that it distracted her attention while driving.
Example 10.
The spectators kept cheering throughout the riveting match. That's the end of today's episode. What do you find riveting? And why? Kindly share your experiences in the comment box below this video. Thank you for watching us. Do watch all the episodes of Daily Video Vocabulary to better your English language skills. Do subscribe to our channel and stay updated with all the latest lessons. I will see you again tomorrow with a new word or a phrase. Till then, bye, and take care.